I already changed the circuit. The old one I cannot repair because there was a lot of problem. For this case I changed the circuit. Now I am going to fix it in this amplifier. This is a Delta 7001 audio amplifier. Delta 7001. Per channel got 900 watt. Yes. Per channel got 900 watt. You can see this is the ground voltage for the speaker, ground output for the speaker. This is the LED light socket wire, LED wire. This is the bridge for the bridge mode, and this is the volume connection. This is the audio input. This is the AC voltage, AC 18018 voltage. Now this is the gray, the blue one. The red one is the positive, green one is the speaker output. Red one is the positive voltage, green one is the speaker output, blue one is the negative voltage. Now need to set tight, it's loose ready. This is the positive voltage. Here you will see this is, here is 3 socket. This is the red, black and red one is the fan. This is the AC voltage for the fan. White wire AC voltage for the fan. Now I am going to check it. Switching. Look, it's clip on ready. This is also clip on ready. The circuit is okay. Now the amplifier is fully okay. We can use the amplifier. Thank you for the watching. It's Brother Electronics Mike Putti Joshua. If you want the contact number, please comment, check the comment link. There you can get the contact number and the amplifier circuit diagram. Thank you for the watching. We repair all type of amplifiers. Thank you.